This 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190SL Convertible, listed at $115,000, appears to be a beautifully maintained classic car with desirable features and updates. Here are some key highlights. Key details. Location: Columbus, Ohio. Price: $115,000. Mileage: 67,800 miles. Transmission: 4-speed manual. Exterior color: silver, ivory mentioned in description. Interior color: red leather, replacement upholstery. Condition: clear history, no significant damage or problems. Paid off with a clean title. Notable features: black convertible soft top, replacement induction starter motor, Pertronix coil and electronic ignition, K&N air filter, new engine mounts, fuel lines, and exhaust components. Original wheels and white wall tires included. Comes with original radio, manuals, and service booklet. Performance: engine 1.9 LM 121 inline-four. Power: 104 horsepower. Torque: 105 lb-ft. Potential considerations: restoration work. Some replacement parts and updates have been installed, enhancing reliability but potentially affecting originality. Exterior color discrepancy. Description mentions ivory while listed as silver. Confirm with the seller. This 190SL seems well maintained with tasteful updates and original components that could appeal to both enthusiasts and collectors. If you're considering purchasing, ensure a professional inspection to confirm condition and originality. Would you like advice on arranging an inspection or making an offer?